Welcome to our lesson on living things, habitat. In this topic, we will explore what a habitat is, the types of habitats, and how living things adapt to survive in their environments. A habitat is the natural home or environment of a living thing. It is where a plant or animal finds everything it needs to survive: food, water, air, shelter, and space. There are three main types of habitats. Aquatic habitats, which are found in water. Terrestrial habitats, found on land. And arboreal habitats, found in trees or in the air. Let's explore each of these habitats individually. Aquatic habitats are found in water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, seas, and oceans. Animals such as fish, frogs, and crabs live here. Plants like water lilies and algae grow in this habitat. Terrestrial habitats are found on land. Examples include forests, grasslands, deserts, and mountains. Lions, elephants, snakes, and ants are animals found here. Trees, shrubs, and grasses are typical plants in this habitat. Arboreal habitats are located in or around trees, and sometimes in the air. Examples include treetops, forest canopies, and nests. Animals like monkeys, birds, and bats live in this habitat. Orchids are a plant example that grows on trees. Next, we would look at what adaptation is and how living organisms adapt to their various habitats. Living things have special features called adaptations. These features help them survive in the environment they live in. Adaptations may be physical traits like body parts or behavioral habits. Each habitat has its own challenges, so organisms must be suited to it. Without these features, many living things would not be able to survive. Let's look at some aquatic animals and their adaptive features. In aquatic habitats, fish have fins. Fins help them to swim efficiently in water. Fish also have gills. Gills help them to breathe by taking in oxygen dissolved in water. Frogs live both on land and in water. They have webbed feet which help them swim smoothly in water. Next is the adaptive features of terrestrial animals. Camels live in hot desert habitats. They have thick skin that protects them from the harsh desert sun. Camels also store water in their bodies. This helps them survive long periods without drinking water. One common plant that adapts successfully in terrestrial habitats is the cactus plant. Cactus plants grow in desert habitats. They have thick stems to store water and few leaves to reduce water loss. Let's look at arboreal habitat. Monkeys live in tree-filled habitats. They have strong tails and limbs to swing and climb trees easily. Next is bird. Birds have lightweight bodies to make flight easier. Their wings allow them to fly and live in nests built high up in trees. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Let's start with some multiple choice questions. Question 1. Which of the following is a type of aquatic habitat? Question 2. What feature helps a fish to breathe in water? Question 3. Which plant is best adapted to store water in the desert? Now let's try some short answer questions. Question 1. Define a habitat. Question 2. List the three main types of habitats. Question 3. Name two animals that live in arboreal habitats. Question 4. State 2 ways a cactus plant is adapted to survive in the desert. You can pause the video and study the questions if you need more time. Let's review what we have learned. You now know the definition of a habitat, the three main types, examples of plants and animals in each, and their adaptive features. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.